Hi friends, this is Michael Bauerfein from Green Tree Properties speaking to you from Riverside, California, where on Saturday I'll be hosting an open house for a new listing. I'm very excited about this. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single family home. It's been completely restored and upgraded downstairs. It's 11152 Lake Creek Court in Riverside, California. The owner is a painter. Everything is beautifully painted. It's been a rental for the last several years and it's back on the market. Let's go take a look. It's got a beautiful state-of-the-art, just like new kitchen. Behind me is the living room at the bottom of the stairs. Head on up, you're gonna get 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the laundry. And you gotta see this garage. It's finished completely. All the walls, ceilings, the floors are painted. You might as well move in here. Hope to see you on Saturday.